addiction that flows deep inside. We can't find a fix for the addiction.
Why do we do this?
Because we have Up North Outdoor Madness, an addiction to the outdoors.
Whenever we have a waking free moment, you can find us in the woods or on the water.
Up North Outdoor Madness.
Alright, outdoor addicts, let's give ice fishing one more shot. You gonna catch some fish?
Yep. Well guys, it's the last trip up to the lake for us, I'm pretty sure, on the hard water season. We're out here at Lake of the Woods. Pretty nice day out. Well, 30 degrees, and I think they're saying it's getting into the 40s. Might have some sleet and rain, but we're heading up to a pressure ridge, but they say the fishing might be good over by this pressure ridge. Dale Peterson, he runs a guide service out of Babblers. Super nice guy. We'll probably put a link and a number in the bottom corner of the video here, and check it out. Great guide, he's got a website and everything, so stay tuned for another episode of Up North Outdoor Madness. We're hopefully going to get in some big fish. Stay tuned.
Marking a lot of fish. This one's barely touching the lure, but hopefully we can hook into him. It's not there. Had the whole bottom raised for 32 feet. It'll raise 3 feet because there's marking so many fish. And Steph's bobber's down.
We still haven't learned how to catch them. Oh, who caught the first one?
Who's got the only keeper?
Did my little fish go down?
So don't give me no shit. Hey, don't give me no shit. It might be a paler.
Caught on Up North Outdoor Madness lure.
Check it out. We'll put a link in the upper right hand corner. You can check out the Jig Up a Kier lure. Pick them up at Hardware Hank and Thief River Falls.
I'll let yours out.
No, you keep reeling.
Switch, switch, switch. What's going to be the jig? Lindy, clam, PK lures.
I had a couple follow me on PK.
Lots of followers, not a lot of biters.
The other one is
Tool beats. much of.
Yeah.
Probably. If I had my coming above.
It's kind of flying all over. Go slack. I had to throw on some Lindy Darter, another dang Tullaby on a Lindy Darter. We were trying to get some fish riled up with some rattles and stuff, but all we're marking is a lot of Tullaby.
Nice Tullaby.
Yeah. I think we have an actual fish, not a Tullaby.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, we do have a real fish. A little bigger than the average we're catching. That's probably a keeper walleye today.
Walleye even?
Yeah. Nothing monstrous, but
Well, we're getting to the point where we need to decide if we're going to stay here for the rest of the day or if we're going to move.
I don't want to catch two.
Well, they said it was in the afternoon when they caught fish, but
We're getting close to the afternoon too.
is it going to happen today, or do we got to go someplace else?
Go, Steph, go. Go, Steph. Go, Steph.
He's starting to bite now.
think anyone else is catching?
We're good? I'll be back. Knock, knock! You okay? How you guys doing? One in the pail? Alright, thanks. How we doing? Are you catching any fish? No. We're not catching. We got a couple over there.
Where you at?
Just right over here. Chad Peters.
Chad Peters. Hey. Yeah.
Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah.
But I got a 1,200 bushel grain bin that's converted to a fish house, and I just leave it on shore for a sleeper.
Yeah.
And it's a bugger to move around, and he just keeps telling me he's going to pull it out on the lake sometime, and then just sell me the coordinates.
Maybe. Yeah, one year we're gonna move that out and go rock.
We were just discussing this when you were outside.
Get put on top of the rock.
He talked about doing that too.
You can leave it there all summer. There you
Perch.
go. Keeper. Perch.
Yeah.
Go find me.
All right, we'll see you guys later. Good luck. Hi.
Oh,
Having any luck?
right there.
Little ones like that keep turning up.
What's that? Oh, like that? Really?
Yeah, that's it.
That's us too. Same problem.
Can't get the big ones.
All right, well, good luck.
Yep.
How you guys doing?
Oh, not so great.
No?
No, how about you?
Oh, we're not doing so good either.
We got about 24-inch walleye here about an hour ago.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So she snuck it on us too. She sneaky.
Oh, really? You didn't even say anything. You just reeled it in.
Yeah.
All right, see you guys. What do you got? Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
All right.
Good. How you guys doing?
Very slow.
Slow. Well, I guess I'll go back and.
All right. Well, you're not alone.
No, that was the whole thing. I told them, I said, I got to go for a ride and check everybody else out and see how we're doing. All right. Well, good luck, guys.
Yeah, you bet.
Yeah, we'll see ya. Oh!
You forgot about the hole.
No, I missed it. I missed it, but I filled it. Okay, so we don't have to feel bad.
Everybody's doing bad.
Everybody's doing bad.
Our mission trying to catch some late season walleyes? Bust. Up North Outdoor Madness would like to thank everyone that took part in this hardwater season. H&S Construction, Hardware Hank and Titan Machinery, Liquid Graphics, PK Lures, Glowmax, Fish House Supply, North Country Outdoors Radio, Clam, Ice Armor, and John LaHood. Click through these logos to check out their videos and channels. It shouldn't be long, we'll be backing down the boat ramp, so subscribe and comment to stay up to date with what Up North Outdoor Madness is up to on the next adventure. Up North Outdoor Madness, the best sickness you can have.